drums echoing tonight. She hears only whispers from some quiet conversation. She's coming in 12:30 flight. Moonlit wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find some old forgotten words or ancient melodies. He turned to me as if he said, "Hurry boy, it's waiting there for you. It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that a hundred men or more could ever do. I bless the rays down in Africa. Gonna take the time to do the things we never had." Hello everybody, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Africa by Toto. This is one of the songs from my 80s pop ukulele cheat. We have a bunch of cool songs only from the 80s pop. Very popular ones like Take On Me, Beat It, Eye of the Tiger, Like a Virgin, and a few more. Download your copy for free on ukulelecheats.com. There will be a link in the description. But today we're taking a look how to play Africa. Well, we're going to do it in a different key from the original because that way it's just easier to play, and I believe it will be easier to sing. If for some of you it's not easy to sing in that key, just use a capo and put it on different places. Try to play with the same chords that I'm showing here and try to find where your voice shines. But today we're doing it with no capo, right? Let's go. Alright, so we're starting here with all the strings open and with the middle and pointing finger starting from the E string. I'm even leaving one of my fingers here to touch a little bit the A string, so if I accidentally press it, it doesn't produce the tone, right? And we're doing this pa 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 da, right? Pa 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 da, and then pointing finger second fret of the C string just for one pluck, and then grabbing E minor. I'm strumming it down, and then I'm removing this pointing finger, keeping these two though, and I'm doing with the right hand C E A E C E A E C E A E C E A E C. But if this is too complex for you, you can just do down up, down up, down up, down up. I mean, this is one of these elements that it would take a lot of effort to actually do it in time, and probably nobody will notice. So if you just want to do the song, just remove the pointing finger. It sounds okay. All right, and after that, we start with the chord of D. I hear the drums to F sharp minor. Echoing tonight to B minor. All right, back to D. And she hears only. Here we have C6. Whispers from some E minor, quiet conversation, B minor, and we get back to this pam 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 pam, but just this part without the open A string, right? Without this thing, and immediately repeating it. Now here is something interesting about this part. We are repeating this while the verse is going, and then on the last time, on the last repetition, we are ending it differently. And it's kind of interesting that the first verse have in total 4 repetitions, right? So we're doing 3 repetitions of the first version and 1 repetition of the last. But then the next verse has 3 in total. So we're doing 2 of the first and 1 on the last. And then we're using the same chords for the solo, and the solo is just repeated twice, so we are doing each repetition just once, right? So this is little detail that I think it's better to be said. I hear the drums echoing tonight, but she hears only whispers from some quiet conversation. Alright, so I'm doing just one down strum on each chord, and then when we go to C6 to E minor, alright, this is the signature rhythm of this song. Pam, 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 pam. By the way, if this rhythm is giving you a little bit of a hard time, it will be easier to master it if you are a member of Ukulele Cheats, because there we have the interactive tab with this thing written down. You can hear it with metronome, you can slow it down, you can loop just one bar to kind of print it in your mind, and at least I found that for me this helps a lot with learning, and it does as well for a lot of people who are members. So if you want to give it a try, become a member, and you can always cancel at any time. So I hear the drums echoing tonight, but she hears only whispers of some quiet conversation. She's coming in 12:30 flight. Her moonlit wings reflects the stars that guides me towards salvation. I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find some old forgotten words or ancient melodies. And now the last repetition. He turns to me as if he said, "Hurry, boy." And now we go to C6 directly. And again, but now we are holding, actually building on E minor. And we go to the chorus. It's gotta take A minor to F, a lot to drag me away, to C, to G. And for the chorus, we have the same thing. Usually it's ending on G, right? But the last line, you're ending on E minor to G to A minor and really quick G, getting back to the other part, right? So every part, when you're going to the next one, it ends a little bit differently, right? As for the strumming on the chorus, I'm doing something like down, 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 and then on the next chord, up, up, down, 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 up, right? It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. And here one element, I'm keep on adding things here, but don't be spooked if something is too complex for you, just skip it. For example, this element you can skip, but I like it, and also you can hear it very well in the song. So I'm grabbing the G chord, then adding the pinky here to make it suspended, and then on the 5th fret to make it C5, right? But it's not important how you call the names of the chord. The idea is that you're doing pam, 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 right? It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. And also pam, pam, pam. These are on up strums, which means that they're on the off beat, right? I bless the rains down in Africa. Gonna take the time to do the things we never had. Woo-hoo. Getting back to this part. Alright, so pretty much this sums up the most important things for Africa by Toto. It will be easier to learn it with the printable and interactive tabs that we have on the website. There will be a link in the description if you want to check it out. And also it will be easier to rock the ukulele party if you have the free cheat origami. Maybe this is an origami ukulele cheat, right? Because you fold it on different page and you have different songs, sometimes even 2 songs on a page. So go to ukulelecheats.com to download yours for free, fold it, gift it to your friends, and you have some songs to jam on. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.